Namaste बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself, JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today's topic is reduction of aromatic rings. So the first method which is used for the catalysis of or reduction of alkene is a catalytic hydrogenation or a total reduction. Okay, so this kind of hydrogenation is occur in a presence of a catalyst like platinum. Simply the double bond of a benzene ring will reduced and we will get the product. Okay, in another reaction you can see the ring of the benzene ring is reduced on the addition of the ruhedium and the platinum oxide reagents. Okay, so this kind of reaction takes place the will use in a very convenient method and very much used for the reduction of the aromatic rings. Okay, here you can see the another example. The triple bond present in a benzene, double bond present in a benzene ring will reduce and we will give the product. So this kind of reaction you can see here. The another example is here the triple bond present in a benzene ring will reduce in the presence of the catalyst and H2 moles. Okay, so the next is the reduction by the electron transfer reagent. This kind of catalyst is this kind of reaction is also known as a bridge reduction. Is a particularly useful and a unique. It has a unique ability to partial reduction of the aromatic ring. Now, the above reaction, the complete reduction occur in a bridge reaction. The partial reduction can occur. So in this kind of reduction, the electron are reducing agent which come from the AI metal like sodium, lithium, and potassium in a liquid ammonia. So when the aromatic ring are reduced by the lithium in a liquid ammonia, usually in a presence of an alcohol like ethanol, 2-propanol, and tertiary butyl alcohol, the 1,2,1,4 addition of the hydrogen takes place and the non-conjugated cyclohexadiene are prepared. Okay, so in above reaction you can see that the complete reduction of the double bond is occurred on the addition of the catalyst, but in bridge reduction in presence of lithium and ammonia and C2H5OH, the product will have non-conjugated cyclohexadiene, okay, with a two double bonds. Okay. In this reaction, you can also see in presence of lithium, ammonia, and C2H5OH, the double bond present on this ring will reduce, and the addition of hydrogen occur on this and this place. So you can see the mechanism here. What happened in a double bond of the ammonia. In first step, you can see the sodium which is present in ammonia liquid. The sodium is converted to Na plus and electron here and NH3 moles of the salt. This is a blue solution which is used as a solvent for the reduction of the benzene ring, aromatic ring. So what happened? The double bond present over the ring will reduce and the electron is gained by the benzene ring. So here you can see the negative charge and the free radical over here. Now what happened? By the delocalization of the negative charge, the position of the negative charge and the radical is changed. So this is the position of the free radical and negative charge. Now what happened in another reaction? The two bond are delocalized, okay, and the position of the negative ion and the free radical is shifted here. So in presence of HOR, the hydrogen will attach with this negative position and the hydrogen you can see here. Now in a free radical, again the sodium ion and electron will attack, and in presence of HOR, it will add the hydrogen, and we will get the product 1,4-cyclohexadiene. Okay, so in another reaction you can see when the substituted aromatic this kind of reaction is a pure benzene ring, and if the substituted aromatic compounds are present. Okay, so the Birch reduction, the electron donating group like alkyl alkoxy and amino decreases the rate of the reaction, and are mainly found in a non-reducted position of the product. Okay, like in presence of OCH3 and in presence of the sodium and ammonia and C2H5OH, it will only reduct the double bond present in a benzene ring. It will not reduct the OCH3 group present on the side chain. Okay, so the major product will be we will get the position of the double bond is changes. Okay, so on the other hand, the electron withdrawing group like COH, CHO and CH increases the reactivity rate and the mainly found at the reduction position of the product. Okay, so you can see here the COH present in a benzene ring, and it will reduct the major product is increased stability product. So in an example you can see here the mechanism of the above reaction. The substituted with OCH3 in presence of sodium and ammonia, and substituted with COOH in presence of sodium and ammonia liquid. These are the intermediates which form for the reduction process, and now the delocalization of the double bond we will get the dienes. So another example, if we want to conjugate a diene and the product, it is quite simple method to the isomers than the using an acidic catalyst. Okay, so the catalyst here you can see that the product this kind of product we will get in addition of the hydrogen, we will we can convert it into in a conjugated dienes. This is the product of the reduction of the benzene and we will get the conjugated dienes from this kind of product. So with the anilines, it is possible to stop the isomerization taking place during the reaction, and the Birch reduction always give the conjugated enantiomers. So NMEs, it will give the NMEs. Okay, so you can see in this reaction the conjugated NMEs we will get. So the reduction of the aromatic ring with the lithium or calcium in presence of amines and not ammonia produce. Okay, so produces further, and the hexane are obtained from on instant of 1,4 cyclohexazine. So we will get cyclohexanes. Okay, there's the rule you can see here. If this rule is applied for the reduction of the more complexes is a polysubstituted benzene. Okay, the double bond will reduct the presence of sodium and ammonia and butyl alcohol. Okay, you can see another example of sodium and ammonia and butyl alcohol. The double bond of both in this kind of reaction, both electron withdrawing group is present on the reduction of the carbon. Electron donating group is also present in the carbon. So in this reaction, both electron donating groups are present on the non-reduction position. So if the Birch reduction is carried out in the presence of the one equivalent of the proton donor, then the enolate found has no proton source to quit. So under this condition, the enolate can be alkalized by the use of the alkyl halide. This procedure is effectively way to prepare the substitution cyclohexadiene. Okay, so in this reaction you can see here the electron withdrawing group is present and in presence of sodium NH3 and tertiary butyl you will get the product. So this is the mechanism. The position of the free radical and the negative ion is changes, and finally you will get the two double bonds and cyclohexadiene. Okay, you can see another example, the position of free radical and position of negatively charged, and you will get the cyclohexadiene. These are some another example and different catalysts. So if we talk about the naphthalene, the nature of the product depend on the nature of the proton donor and the reaction condition. Okay, this is the naphthalene, and on the in the presence of sodium sodium C2H5OH, it will reduct only, it will give the 1,4 dihydronaphthalene and 1,2 dihydronaphthalene. In presence of sodium C2H11OH, it will give tetraline. In presence of sodium NH2 liquid and the C2H5OH, it will give isotetraline, and lithium ethylene NH2, it will give the octaline. So the reduction of the one naphthalene and the two ethoxynaphthalene provides the interesting context. Like one naphthalene is reduced by the lithium in ammonia containing ethanol in the substituted ring, and this is because of the electron donating group decreases the reactivity of the ring. So you can see the OH is present over the ring, and in presence of lithium ammonia, it will reduct the double bond present in a benzene ring. Okay, and on the other hand, the two ethoxynaphthalene is reduced in the substituted ring. Okay, this is all about the reduction of the aromatic rings. Thank you very much.